Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get YouTube Kids on your phone. So guys, if you're planning on installing YouTube Kids but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So once you're in your app library, the first thing is to just open your Play Store or your App Store if you have an iPhone. So just open it, and once you're here, just look at the lower bar where you can see the search option, tap there and now type in YouTube Kids. Search for it and it should appear right at the top. And guys, it's right here, you can see YouTube Kids. Just tap there and now tap on Get. So just install it. You can see that it is installing. So just wait for it to install, and now you can finally enjoy YouTube Kids. So guys, there you go. That's how you get YouTube Kids on phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.